In this video, friends, I will show with you the quiz answer on UK. So friends, click on started to get start quiz. The first one, what is service crypto? Choose this one, guys. Crypto is exchange to buy and sell. And then the second, what is protection? You have to suffer losses. Click the no labels to any for any losses, and crypto it's not regulated. This one, guys, for why you should you invest than 10%. Click a crypto asset are complex and volatile investment, and my result total loss because the risk is difficult to understand. This one, which the following make difficult to sell your crypto. Click this one. There are no demand for my crypto asset, or crypto may be offline because the crypto attack of it. This one, which statement are of staking. Click crypto assets may experience price for utility will it stake. And this one, which statement true stable coin. Click they are fully protected for last event. And this one, guys, what the best way to describe meme coin is generally experience and a rapid price movement. The last one, as you can see, score was 7 on 10, and this is great result. Thanks for watching this video, guys.